Hi, I'm Danny. Today I'm going to be doing a knotted ponytail. I'm going to start by making my sections. I'm going to be doing a side part all the way to the ear, and I'm going to be sectioning that off. So once that's sectioned off, I'm going to work with the back. And I'm just going to comb through and I'm going to form this into a ponytail. Now that we have the ponytail nice and secure, I'm going to go in with a little bit of mannequin paste by R&Co. And this is personally my favorite, but you could use anything, gel or whichever type of paste you want. I'm just going to get the flyaways and smooth it out, but I will say that this is going to be more of a messy knotted braid. So now let's work with the front. Since this is a knotted braid, I'm going to start with only just 2 sections, and that's what we're going to work with throughout the whole front of this section. I'm going to get a small piece of hair from the right side and loop it under the left side and then pull it through. Now I'm going to get hair from the right section, combine it to the hair in your hand, so now that I have all that hair in that one hand, I'm going to get a piece of hair from the right section, small piece of hair, and I'm going to combine it over the left section and loop it through and pull it tightly. And it's okay if you have little flyaways popping out. So now let's do this again. We're going to get a section from the left side, combine it to all of the hair in your hand, and then we're going to get a section from the right side, loop it over, and it could get a little tricky, but you just got to work with your fingers. Loop it over and pull it through. And you can see that it's already starting to form that knot. So we're going to get a piece of the right section. I'm going to just spray a little bit and try to control the flyaways. But like I said, it's okay. It's supposed to be a little bit messy. So now I'm getting that section, looping it over, and then pulling it through. Going over that section and looping it through. And I'm going to do this all the way until I finish with this section of hair. And now, since we have no more hair to add, From the section, we're going to use hair within the knot itself. I'm going to get a piece on the right hand side, loop it over the left, over the hair, and then just loop it the same way that we were doing it and pull it through. Again, I'm going to get a piece of hair on the right hand side. Going to go over the hair in our left hand and pull it through. And I'm going to continue this all the way down. So now that I've finished that piece of hair, I'm almost done with it. I'm just going to continue a few more sections. Going to go over and loop it through. All the way to the end. So now that I'm done with the knot, I'm just going to loop it over that ponytail just to cover the elastic with some bobby pins. And this is it. This is a super easy knotted ponytail. Subscribe to my channel and follow me on Instagram at danny.doeshair. Thank you guys.